I thought I would share with you a project that I've been working on for several weeks, and it's actually a recycled project from 2013, I think. So I've been working on it for a very long time. It's an encaustic sculptural installation that's going to be on display as part of an exhibition by the Vancouver East Side Culture Crawl called Green. And it is made not only from encaustic, but also from recycled Tyvek. You can see how hard it is. It is Tyvek that I recycled from a building project side, but they're all about 10 to 20 times the size of a real shell. And shells, these mussel shells are indigenous to my home, to Vancouver, Canada. And so they're very near and dear to my heart.